but we don't know what tomorrow brings. In this crazy world, people dying like flies every day. You read about it in the news, but you don't believe it. You'll only know about it when the man in the long black coat knocks on your door. 'Cause you're his next victim. Yes, you are living it, living it.
This crazy world.
I tell you, we are living it, we're living it.
This crazy world.
We are living it, I'm living it.
This crazy world.
Tell you, we are living it.
This crazy world.
Leaders study wars anytime they want. Some for their rights, some for fun and their own glory. Yeah, letting people die for the wrongs that they do. Oh, it's painful. Come on now, little boy, say your prayers before you sleep. Little boy went down on his knees and he said, oh Lord, now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take.